UNCOS-TV. India has a complex legal system, but I can provide a simplified explanation of India's laws in 10 steps. Here's an overview. Constitution. India's legal framework is primarily based on its constitution, which was adopted in 1950. The constitution establishes the fundamental principles, rights, and duties of citizens, as well as the structure and powers of the government. Three-tiered legal system. India has a three-tiered legal system consisting of the Supreme Court at the apex, high courts in each state, and lower courts at the district and subordinate levels. These courts interpret and enforce the law. Statutory laws. Laws in India are enacted by the Parliament at the central level and state legislatures at the state level. These laws, known as statutory laws or acts, cover a wide range of subjects such as criminal law, civil law, labor law, taxation, and more. Common law. India follows the common law system inherited from the British colonial era. Common law refers to legal principles derived from court decisions, precedents, and customs, rather than solely relying on statutory laws. Criminal law. The Indian Penal Code, IPC, is the primary statute governing criminal offences in India. It defines various crimes and prescribes punishments for them. The Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, sets out the procedures for the investigation, trial, and punishment of criminal offences. Civil law. Civil laws in India encompass various aspects, including contracts, property, family law, torts, and more. The main legislation governing civil disputes is the Indian Contract Act, the Transfer of Property Act, and the Code of Civil Procedure, CPC. Personal laws. India recognizes different personal laws for different religious communities in matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and adoption. These personal laws are based on religious scriptures and customs and vary for Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and other communities. Constitutional law. India's constitution serves as the supreme law of the land. It provides a framework for governance, fundamental rights of citizens, directive principles for the state, and establishes the powers and functions of various government bodies. Public interest litigation, PIL. India allows public interest litigation, which enables individuals and organizations to approach the courts on behalf of those who cannot assert their rights. PIL plays a crucial role in promoting social justice and addressing public issues. Judicial precedence. India follows the doctrine of judicial precedent, also known as stare decisis. This means that judgments of higher courts are binding on lower courts, and courts are expected to follow established legal principles and precedents while deciding cases. Please note that this is a simplified explanation of India's legal system. The actual legal framework in India is more comprehensive and involves numerous laws, regulations, and legal procedures that can be complex and varied. Like, share, subscribe.